Most of you may be aware that morning satsang I am conducting on the sacred secret science of third eye. Understand, fortunately it is sacred, directly given by Sadashiva. I wanted to remind you all, the teachings of Sadashiva cannot be equated by the English word occult or mysticism. Please understand. The Western definition of occultism, mysticism, both are too shallow. As I said in the earlier satsang, the God, God itself is not equivalent to Bhagavan, Brahman or Sadashiva of Hinduism. Because the description of Bhagavan, the definition of Bhagavan in Bhagavatam, Brahman in Upanishads, Sadashiva in Agama says, Srishti Sthiti Samhara Trobhava Anugraha, means creation, maintenance, rejuvenation, putting in delusion and liberation. Srishti Sthiti Samhara Trobhava Anugraha. All these five are done by manifested component of Sadashiva. He also has unmanifest, avyakta. So the concept of the supreme in Vedic tradition is different. The concept of the highest supreme in the Western thought current is different. God means generator, operator, destroyer. He stops with 3. Unfortunately, the Western civilizations don't have understanding about Trobhava and Anugraha, means the delusion and liberation. So because they do not have the understanding, they don't expect their God to perform that job. So their imagination of the Supreme stopped with what they understand as life, what they understand as ultimate. So the essence, nutshell, the last few satsangs I was sharing, so that the participants who are joining today, Inner Awakening participants, you can have a basic sacred truths available for you. Listen first. God, as you heard, are the officially defined by the Western religious traditions, is not equivalent to Sadashiva. Occultism, which you learn in the West, is not equivalent to Siddhis. Mysticism, which you learn in the West, is not equivalent to Shaktis. The whole definition, concept, understanding itself is different. So there is no equivalent concept, word in the West available for this great sacred secret science of third eye revealed by Sadashiva in Agamas.